For this example, we're using the linear function h of x is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 4. Our first task is to determine the slope and the y-intercept. The slope is the coefficient of x. We label that as m. So our slope is negative 2/3. The y-intercept is in the position of b in our linear function. So that's going to be 4. We could also write that as an ordered pair of 0, 4. That takes us to part B. We want to use the slope and the y-intercept to graph the function. We must graph the y-intercept first. So we'll go over to 0, up to 4, indicate our intercept. Now we're going to use the slope to be able to graph this and find a next point. Because it's negative, we're going to slide down 2. So we're going to fall 2 units. Now we're going to run to the right 3. Our next point would be here. So now we can join those two to sketch out our line. And that illustrates the behavior of our linear function. Okay, so down 2, right 3. The average rate of change for our function, so the change in y over the change in x, is going to be equal to negative 2/3. Okay, it's the slope of our line. And then finally, we want to determine whether our function is increasing, decreasing, or constant. Because our function is falling to the right, it is decreasing. We have a negative slope. It is falling to the right, so it is decreasing.